We have discussed so far the permittivity dependence on temperature, voltage, pressure. Now let us see the fourth parameter, voltage, that is permittivity dependence on voltage or the behavior of dielectrics under alternating fields. When we apply AC voltage, the dielectric gets polarized. So the dipoles produces, then it will get aligned with the field. If the field is applied, there is a characteristic time that the orientational polarization takes to adjust. So the time taken for this polarization is called relaxation time, that is 10 power minus 11 second. At this time the frequency is, we know the formula 1 by T, so the frequency is 10 power 11 Hertz. Before that, ionic and electronic polarization occur. They can be thought of driven damped harmonic oscillators. Here the frequency dependence is governed by resonance phenomena. If we draw the dielectric constant versus frequency, that is permittivity versus frequency, at the resonant frequency of ionic and electronic polarization mode, there will be a peak. Then a dip appears at frequency just above the resonance frequency. In the area of dips, the polarization lags behind the field. At higher frequency, the movement of dipoles, movement of charges cannot keep up with the alternating field. As the frequency increases, the dielectric constant decreases. So this is the graph drawn between dielectric permittivity and voltage, and another graph permittivity versus frequency. So there is a rise, there is a peak at resonant frequency. After that, dip. In that dip, the polarization lags behind the field. This is the summary of the permittivity dependence on voltage. So when a dielectric is placed in an alternating field, the dipoles attempt to maintain alignment with the field. This process requires a finite time. This is different for different polarization. At the relaxation frequency, the dipoles will only just be able to reorient themselves. So the energy is lost in the form of heat at this relaxation frequency. Then the dielectric is called lossy dielectric. The dielectric loss will be maximum when this relaxation frequency coincide with the frequency of given polarization, with the frequency of external field. So this is the principle behind the microwave oven. So it operates at the relaxation frequency of water molecules, and heat generated warms the food. At frequency above the relaxation frequency, the dipoles will no longer be able to keep up with changes in the applied field. So that is said to be frozen and no